Userful presents the magic of video walls. Divide your video wall within the bezels of the displays for maximum layout flexibility. Group displays into zones and show multiple content simultaneously on your video wall. Display one source across the video wall and set additional content sources in one or more windows laid on top of that source. Wow. One-of-a-kind artistic video walls with any angle rotation and mixing and matching displays. You won't believe your eyes, it's truly like magic. Preset multiple video wall layouts. Change from one preset to another with a single touch. Centrally manage video walls in any location through the cloud, and schedule content, layout, and preset changes. This is like nothing you've ever seen. Control the keyboard and mouse of your video wall from a tablet or a smartphone. Add one or more capture cards to display HDMI or SDI sources in 4K, 1080p in real time. Also, you can use the network to capture desktop screens, quickly and easily display them on the video wall. And now for the grand finale. Very large video walls with up to 100 screens or more from a single PC.